Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can change your username over on Reddit. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open the Reddit application on your device and make sure your account is logged in. If it isn't, then make sure to log in to follow along. And after logging in, tap on your profile icon at the top right of your screen and your account page will open up. From here, select settings. If you open your account settings option, you will be able to see all of your account's information collectively at one place. But to change your username, scroll down to the end of the page and select Help Center. Inside the Help Center, search for Change Username and open the related options. As you can see that there is no way to change your username, but if you scroll down, you'll see a request submission option. Here just tap on Submit a request, then select the appropriate options based on the request, and hopefully you will be able to change your username. And that's how you can change your username over on Reddit. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.